Reading and interpreting topographic maps is essential for understanding the terrain and landscape features of a geographic area. Topographic maps represent the three-dimensional surface of the Earth in a two-dimensional format, using contour lines and symbols to depict elevation, landforms, and other geographic features. Here's how to read and interpret topographic maps for terrain analysis. Understanding contour lines. Contour lines are the most prominent feature of a topographic map and represent lines of equal elevation. Each contour line connects points of equal elevation, indicating changes in elevation across the landscape. Contour lines never intersect, split, or cross one another. However, they may merge to form closed loops in areas such as hills or depressions. Interpreting contour intervals. Contour intervals represent the vertical distance between adjacent contour lines and vary depending on the scale of the map. Smaller contour intervals, e.g., 10 feet or 5 meters, indicate steeper terrain, while larger intervals, e.g., 100 feet or 20 meters, represent gentler slopes. The contour interval is typically provided in the map legend or marginal information. Identifying slope gradient and steepness. Steeper slopes are indicated by closely spaced contour lines, while gentler slopes are represented by widely spaced contour lines. Contour lines that form sharp V-shapes or U-shapes indicate cliffs, ridges, or valleys with steep slopes. Concentric contour lines with small intervals indicate a steep or abrupt change in elevation, such as a hill or mountain peak. Analyzing terrain features. Ridgelines are depicted by contour lines that form U-shaped patterns, with higher elevations toward the center. Valley bottoms are indicated by V-shaped contour lines, with lower elevations toward the center. Depressions or basins are represented by closed contour lines with hatcher marks pointing toward the lower elevation, indicating areas of lower elevation surrounded by higher terrain. Streams and rivers are shown as blue lines with arrows indicating the direction of flow. The width of the blue lines may vary depending on the size of the watercourse. Understanding map symbols and features. Topographic maps include various symbols and features to represent vegetation, roads, buildings, hydrology, and cultural features. The map legend provides information on the meaning of symbols and features used on the map. Orienting the map. Use the map's north arrow, scale bar, and grid lines to orient yourself and determine directions and distances accurately. By applying these principles, you can effectively read and interpret topographic maps to analyze terrain features, plan routes, assess slope gradients, and navigate the landscape with confidence.